Now, due to corona crisis, and new strains are coming by means of the internal mutation, which is caused by your climate change and global recession. The entire universal economy is totally changed, and due to that impact, the government area will not create jobs, new jobs. Also, industrial sector, companies also will not create new jobs. What are the job? They will lose the job. And now millions of the youth students are coming out from universities, and they are not having any skill, innovation and creative power. Only they are having degrees, helpless and useless degrees. What will they do? And for that purpose, there are so many challenges: global warming, climate change, farmer suicides, migration of the youth farmers from rural area, and now corona crisis, all these things, and new new problem, that is robot guided automatic machine and artificial intelligence, which will finish the jobs. So only solution is that agriculture sector can create the new jobs. It has a great potentiality, and not only in agriculture but in processing also. But if they are practicing chemical farming, no chance, because farmers are not willing to continue chemical farming due to high cost and possibility of the suicide. Then only option, organic farming is more dangerous than chemical farming, no possibility. Subhash Palekar natural farming is a solid alternative to create the new jobs, because we have giving 1 acre model under Subhash Palekar natural farming, food forest model, and in that model, within only 10% water and 10% electricity, they can earn annual 3 lakh to 6 lakh rupees per annum income. That means being in the home, they can earn 25,000 to 50,000 rupees per month salary, and now they are getting only at 8 to 10,000 salary when they will go to take the job in big cities, and also they are working to a level. There is a chance. We have established this model also, and this model will create a new job, because they will produce, they will process all the things, and they will sell naturally grown produces under Subhash Palekar natural farming straight to consumers, and so exploitation will be stopped, and global warming and climate change will be stopped or restricted, because in Subhash Palekar natural farming, no single gram of the greenhouse gas is emitted, but we are restricting all these things.